The nature of sales is changing forever because of AI. When you hear the word sales, what comes to your mind? Is it people, conversation, human connection, and interactions? You would be correct. And now, with artificial intelligence taking the world by storm, this new revolutionary technology will also create a new landscape and redefine the dynamics of selling once again. Here are the 3 ways it will do so. One way AI will transform sales is by providing predictive analytics and key customer insights. The financial markets have long been a playground for quantitative and statistical analysis, where advanced algorithms, automation, and artificial intelligence have been utilized in the background. Recent breakthroughs in generative AI and its increased adoption allow for these capabilities to move to the world of sales. Unstructured data such as the audio of phone conversations, email touchpoints, video interactions, text message data, open rates, response rates, and much more can be utilized and fine-tuned into a company's workflows. These fine-tuned models allow for capabilities such as lead scoring or predictive analytics that can assess and assign scores to leads based on various criteria, such as demographics, behavior, and company engagement history. Depending on your tracking and analytics,